How can you add extra pages into your Affinity Designer document? There's a special Artboard tool for that. It's the second tool on the list, just below the Move tool. Click on it, and by default you'll be adding pages of the same size as your document, but you can change that. You can even resize them later. You can have each page in different size. When you click this Insert Artboard for the first time, take a look. The backdrop change. We move from single page document into multiple artboard document, but we didn't add a new artboard just yet. We simply just unlock this feature, and from now on, whenever I click Insert Artboard, I will have this additional page. Take a look, here it is. I can move this page around if you want to reposition them in other way, but by default they will show on the right side from the existing one. I can click it again. As I mentioned, you can scale in the page. Not all pages need to be exactly the same. And I can click it again. And now I got 4 different pages into different sizes. You can double tap on the name of the page to rename it. You can export just one page, or you can export all of the pages as PDF. So if you want to export everything into one PDF, just click File, Export, select PDF format, and then you can click Whole Document. Let's save that. And if you open up this PDF, you will see that you got 4 pages in this document. Alright, so that's how you can set up your Affinity Designer document with multiple pages. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.